So here we've got 3 pounds of Tannerite all mixed up in this chemical container that we had from getting lye for soap making. And we're gonna see if we can take down a tree with it. This is what we're gonna be shooting today. It's a DPMS Oracle, just cheap old AR. Of course, got fucking EOTech on it because, you know, gotta have an optic that's cost as much as the gun did almost. And this is 62 grain, I think it's like cellular and bellot or something like that. Should just be regular lead core stuff, not that almighty green stuff. Alright, so this is where we're gonna set the Tannerite off. It's a decent sized tree. It's got a nice little hollow already built into it, just kind of cleared the leaves out. I originally thought about doing this guy, but then I saw the hollow in here and I was like, hey, it's perfect. Hopefully all this twigs and shit doesn't fly back at me, because I'm definitely not going to be the recommended 100+ yards away from it. Stay tuned. Yeah, we got a little bit of damage. Not as much as I would have hoped, but it was a good show.